morning, Achieve. Happy Tuesday. Today's Tuesday, January 12th. We're going to continue with our discussion of purposefulness and Dr. Martin Luther King. But first, we'll do our pledge. Everyone, please stand, salute, and pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, have a seat. All right, so purposefulness. One definition of purposefulness is being able to make decisions to chart a course for your own life. So you're deciding what your life is going to look like, and you use purpose and purposefulness in order to decide those things. You do specific things so that you can lay out what your life will look like. The thing is, the choices that we make for ourselves don't affect only us. They also affect people around us too. And back in the 60s, when Dr. Martin Luther King was trying to get equal rights for people, a lot of the choices that people made about how they treated others were not good choices. They mistreated other people or treated them unfairly. And so Dr. Martin Luther King was trying to get equality for all people. That means that all people would be treated the same. So here's a little picture, and the words on this little cartoon say that everybody's going to be treated the same, and so they're all going to take the same exam. And so the exam is for them to go climb the tree that's behind them. That is not very fair, because some of those animals could not climb a tree. Can you picture an elephant climbing a tree? I don't think that that would be very fair. So equality doesn't always work for everybody if you just treat everybody the same. So there's another idea that I want to show you, and that is equity. Equity means that everybody gets what they need based on their own situation. So if you look at this first picture, this is equality. This is everybody getting exactly the same thing. So you can see the tall guy standing on the block, he can see over the fence, but the little guy standing on the block cannot see over the fence. So they're being treated the same, but it doesn't work for all of them. But if you look at the next picture, this is equity. The tall guy doesn't need a block to stand on. The middle guy just needs one block, but the little guy gets 2 blocks because that's what works for him so that he can see the baseball game. So everybody's getting what they need. So here's the question for you. What are some examples of different needs that require different treatment? Have a great day, Achieve.